My wife accidentally gave birth to 3 kids. I only bought a bunk bed and a single bed. The 3 children fight over a bed every day. So anxious, I decided to clear everything out and reinstall the whole thing. First, construct a bed frame using galvanized square steel and cover it with environmentally friendly wood veneer. Place a mattress on it to create a bed for my daughter Alice. Use the space underneath to hang clothes, effectively turning it into a wardrobe. Extend the setup to the side to make a large desk, which will serve as Alice's study area, where both children can study together, building a strong emotional foundation from childhood to adulthood. Next to the desk, add a large wardrobe for storing out-of-season quilts above and hanging purple shirts and pants below, fostering an early interest in fashionable fashion design. Adjacent to this, store Alice's study materials. Incorporate several drawers that also function as steps, with the lower drawers designated for storing my daughter's socks and the larger upper drawer for toys, ensuring no space is wasted. Extend sideways and construct another bed frame using galvanized square steel, securing it with expansion screws for enhanced stability and covering it with environmentally friendly wood veneer. Top this with a soft mattress for Alice's bed, sturdy enough for ballet dancing without any movement. Ensure the bed is high enough and use wall planks as side barriers. Then create a partition next to it for good ventilation and light, while also serving as a wind blocker on the wooden partition wall, ensuring the children's safety and security. Next, weld galvanized square steel into a bed frame for my son Liam, covering it with environmentally friendly wood veneer and a breathable ribbed frame to ensure comfort while sleeping. Below the bed, install 3 large drawers to separately store Liam's smelly socks and underwear, making efficient use of space for toys as well. Add a soft backing against the wall for extra comfort during sleep. Under the stairs, build a cabinet to utilize every available space. Extend to the side to create a desk, establishing Liam's study area. Use gypsum board to construct partition walls, segmenting different areas effectively. Install a few narrow stainless steel glass doors that are both translucent and opaque, enhancing the visual appeal of the space. Adjacent to this, install a glass partition to ensure Liam's room is well lit. The seat next to it is designated for sorting Liam's quilts and clothes, enabling the 3 children to live separately without infringing on each other's privacy. This arrangement is both practical and aesthetically pleasing.